Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this website actually pays you to test um, their their products, which is usually a website or an app that they've created. So what you simply do is you sign up with them, and then they show you opportunity. They show you a lot of websites and apps that their clients have created, and then all you need to do is just to log into such websites or such apps, and then you just test it, because generally those apps and websites, they have not been released yet to the public. So you're like the first user of the app or website. So what you basically do is you just click on the link, go to the website, and then just play around the interface and the services, and you give them feedback about how usable their app or website is. So it's amazing because this website uTEST can actually pay you as much as $10 for 10 to 25 minutes spent reviewing or testing this website that um, they they actually show you. So it's very easy to start, and you don't need to be in the US or Canada to start making money with uTest. You could basically be anywhere, even in African countries such as Nigeria or maybe Ghana, and you can register. So all you simply need to do is to um, go to Google and type in utest.com, and it will bring you to this page, and you would have to create your own account with them. If I have created mine, so that's why you're seeing login. So, but for you that's coming for the first time, so you probably see sign up and login. So you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you just see the normal. Instead of seeing this here, you would see this sign up page where you put in your email and name, and then they'll send you a, a confirmation email that looks like this exactly. So all you do is just you click on the confirmation, and then you um, sorry, I've already confirmed that before. So you click on the confirmation, and then can you can you get access to um, their dashboard. Then you can start um, you know testing website. So what I will just log into my own account and show you how it looks and the possibilities that it holds. All right, guys. So this is my dashboard. So as you can see here on the left side of the screen, I have my name, my tester ID, and then I have a whole bunch of things here: payment, advanced settings, etc. So what I would do is to move forward and do the other um, settings so as to complete. If you so as to complete the setting of my profile. Okay, so I'll just come straight to payment so that we'll know what our payment platform they actually use. So this is the payment. So as you can see, I've not um, tested any apps, so I have $0. So I'm just going to check out if it's Payoneer or PayPal that they actually use. So I'll come to this side now, payment method, none. So I'll click on setup. Okay, as we can see, they're actually paying via PayPal and then via Payoneer. So let's say um, I want to use Payoneer. You could just click on it and then follow the setting. If I need to create a new Payoneer account, I'll click on this, check this first one. If not, I'll check on this one. If I already have an account, I'll have my own Payoneer account, something like that. So um, That is that for that. If it's not Payoneer that you want to use, you can go for PayPal and then input your PayPal receiver email. So that is how you can, set your payment method. And then let's go into this advanced setting. Let's see. Okay, I don't think we have much to do there. So we we'll just come straight to the home page of my dashboard, and then once we are here, we can see on this lower part of the screen that we have actually registered, confirmed our email. We can set you can set your payment method. I've shown you that. You can also join the community to share experience with other testers. Okay, so it's very important because um, testing app sometimes you need experience. So if you don't have experience, then you want to be involved in a community with like-minded people who have actually been doing it for a while, you can join in there and then have an insight and better um, accomplish your testing tasks. All right, so you complete your profile and then you scan the project board. This is actually where you can um, go to see jobs, testing jobs that are available. All right, so when you come to this part, you you see stuff like this. So you could just input the country that you are in, so that they can tailor your um, the testing job that would give you according to your country, and then you put your whatever tool you're actually using to test. So, mind you, in the process of registering, you would be required to put the gadgets that you have, the system and the phones that you have, so that they would know the gadgets you're using to test their apps. So you fill those information here, and then you can scroll right here, and then you see a lot of it. This one is an ongoing job, $50 referral bonus. um, you know you just read through them, see the location worldwide. You can actually perform this task anywhere in the world that you are. All right, so there are just lots of them here. Scroll down like that and check out the what they offer. See urgent ones as well. You can um, check out these ones if it's something that is not country restricted, such as this one is only the US people that can do that one. The next one as well. So you look for the ones that are worldwide, and then you apply. You click on those ones, and then you complete the tasks and get paid. All right. So it's super easy using this app, as I've seen, and with the research I've done and the reviews that I've read, and you can easily withdraw from the app. The withdrawal minimum is uh, $2 for PayPal and your Payoneer. So they have all the same withdrawal minimums. So this app can actually pay you to test websites, and then um, give them right feedback for them about the feeling of the website, what you actually feel the website. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if it's the first time of coming to my channel, and come back for more videos. Thanks. Stay tuned.